Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Terra Classic, we are trading at 0.002439, 24-hour volume. We're up 26%. At market cap, we are up 2.53%. So heading over to our chart, I'm going to start off on our daily chart and then immediate short term for 4 hours and also take a sneak peek into 2 hours as well. But taking a look so far for our day, it does look pretty good. Again, we are going to be capped up roughly around the 38% that we've already seen so far, as high of 25288, and then the price is going to drop down. Now, one of the things that I love seeing about Terra Classic today is that the momentum itself may be working in our favor, essentially in the red columns here. Hopefully we do get that weakness that we have been seeing here in the last 4 days itself. And once we see that flicker from the red over to our green, then we are ultimately going to come up, and this is going to be our target price here at the 26006. Now, if we take a look at some of our supply and demand zones of our volume profile, we've already left this area here going into the next area. So this one isn't really highly supportive of these two nodes off to the side here. I want to say right up here, maybe more of a resistance line at the 26504 here. Now you can see already that's closer to our 20 moving average, but essentially where the price leaves another supply and demand zone, it is going to be treated as either a resistance line, or if the price is under, it's going to be treated as an area of support. So right now we can already see we're on the outskirts of these two nodes itself. So this is really not supported. And again, we already saw that high swing candle trying to get into this area of supply. In the next couple of days or so, we are going to be testing the 38% of our fib, essentially because two things here. Again, the MACD indicator can move from the momentum, from the bearish momentum over to the bullish momentum, and that's going to give us a huge boost and a huge pump, essentially having Terra Classic break out and come up and retest the next area of our fib retracement. Now, again, even though we are considered to be overbought in the next couple of days of the RSI being at 82%, the momentum itself and how strong that momentum is can ultimately counterpart the RSI and move the price even further up here, even though we are considered as overbought. We may see it during the day session in lower time frames, more pullbacks and corrections in that full day. But taking a look at a snapshot of our daily chart, depending again the momentum and the strength of it, we may actually break through certain areas of resistance depending on the momentum. Let's head over to our 2-hour time frame, but I am going to snip over to our 4-hour time frame first. Take a look at some of the characteristics of our candlestick. So the last couple of bits here we have seen at the very upper Bollinger Band considered to be already overbought, and we can already see it here on the RSI at 97%. So consider always roughly around 80% to be overbought and then 20% as oversold as opportunities, as they do make huge waves in the market. So right here already at 97%, over 80% of a threshold, we already knew it was considered as overbought, and we were waiting for that trigger of that sell opportunity. If we did see it at 97% and we did see it close, we can ultimately gather the fact that the exhaustion of the uptrend itself by this candlestick only, which is the shooting star or a spinning top candlestick, which is a spinning top candlestick here. So again, the wick at the top and the bottom is twice the size of the body, and normally the body is found near the middle. So that's the characteristics of a spinning top candlestick, and of course paired off with an engulfing candlestick itself, mainly because we did the candlestick itself is bigger than the spinning top candlestick over here. So we knew again in the horizon that there was going to be a lot of selling features as well. So now the RSI right here is at 28%. It is not considered as overbought at this time, because if we take a look at the RSI in general for Terra Classic, we only get that buying opportunity roughly around 5 to 12% here. And we can see that there is a huge distance between our K line and our D line here. So the price itself is still going to come back down, but we're going to take a look at some areas of support here. Now, one of the areas that I want you guys to pay attention to, if you are going to be trading Terra Classic, is our 61 or 50% of our fibs. So we have a crossover of our fibs, basically letting us know that this is going to be a high area of confluence, a high area of interest later on. So price may gravitate, maybe break through, depending on momentum and RSIs or whatever indicators you guys choose to use. But essentially, this is going to either be treated as a good support if we break up, or a area of area of resistance if we do break up, or an area of support if we do break up and then come back down. So that's a point of interest I want you guys to watch very, very closely at. But another fact here is we've been holding really nicely around the 24125. But one of the things, again, is very alarming is our moving averages. We've got a crossover of 100 and a crossover of our 20 moving average as well, which may show us another hint here that the price may come back down even further. So another retest of our 20 moving average here in hopes to hold on to the support. And the further away that we are from the moving average, the stronger that momentum is going to be, and the stronger the outcome of that bullish run is going to be. So be very, very cautious here for Terra Luna, because we do see, again, another indicator that the price may fall back down is our MACD indicator 2. It is showing weakness of this uptrend. The trend itself here may be over. And if we do see that green going into red at a key area of our fib chart, then price is going to come back down, and projected price for my area of support is going to be 23,526. So that's my targets. That's my video update here for you guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Like and subscribe to support the channel, but I will see you guys next time. Bye.